How Ayurveda has explained what exactly is diabetes, how it occurs. Namaste everyone, I am Dr. Vasudha Sharma, Medical Director of Vivekananda Health Global, where we work integrating Ayurveda, Yoga, Naturopathy for management of lifestyle disorders. We just understood very briefly about diabetes, how Ayurveda has explained what exactly is diabetes, how it occurs. Let's start going a little deep into each of the problem. First of all, how does diabetes occur? What happens in the body because of which we are called diabetic? Nobody wants to be called. What have we done rather not to be called? So for this you have to know how exactly it occurs. Now a person is in Bangalore, he is a software professional, he is or she is, both male and female, it is quite common. So they are engaged in their work. They wake up at maybe 6 o'clock in the morning. There is a family each one has, because we are looking at the age group, which is usually between 25 to 35. So the routine is they wake up, they have, maybe their child has to go to school, then they have to take and relax themselves, get back to office work, they log in at around 9 o'clock, or they have to move out to different zones of their workplace. Now this itself is the first stress. Oh my god, I have to travel now for 45 minutes. I am right now in maybe Jayanagar, and I have to go to Whitefield. What a big stress, right? Now what does this person do next? She goes or he goes to the office, sits there, they're on their desk, meetings, and a lot of concentrated work is needed, because that's the field they are in, software professionals they are. And then usually towards lunch they just move out of their seat, maybe quickly have some bites, come back in maybe 15-20 minutes. Once again they sit down on their chair. So they are having sedentary job because they cannot help, they have to move their fingers on their laptops. And then what happens? Slowly, it's afternoon time, and then they feel like having a cup of tea. They go there and have a samosa along with a cup of tea. That's their evening routine. And then they are maybe ready to leave by about 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, but there is something which they have to complete. So, okay, it's already 8 in the night. Now, what the drive back home? An hour or over an hour. I said Jayanagar to Whitefield. Now they have to come back from Whitefield to Jayanagar, right? So, another 1.5 hours. From 8, they're back at home at 9 or 9:30. Then is dinner time. So if they have some help, then yes, the food is ready. Otherwise, they have to make their dinner, and then they also have to eat. Now by all this, it is 10:30. And they are so tired, so they are immediately rushing off to bed, maybe at 11:30. And then once again, the routine starts. Now what did you observe in this whole story? One is that whole stress of moving around, travel and all that. Second, it is sitting on the chair and working, which we call as sedentary habits. And thirdly, you also saw that they're just grabbing the food and not having food as a requirement for the body. Okay, so this is another thing we observed. Fourth, we also observed that there was no physical activity in the story. I didn't tell you at all that the person was involved in any physical activity. Now, are these not the causes for many lifestyle disorders, including diabetes? So please be mindful about how your routine is. We'll come there later, but to conclude, please understand that the major reasons are not having your food on time, improper food time, delayed food time, which actually disturbs your metabolism, Thirdly, having the wrong food, fast food, junk food, processed food, so many problems around food. And next, you also have lack of physical activity. You're sitting there, you're not moving, your smartwatch or the mobile where you have the app is not showing that you have moved those many steps. Please be mindful. So, food, physical activity are two major reasons. One of the most important reason is also stress, because stress can disturb your body immensely. There are a lot of changes which happen in your brain due to stress, which in turn affect your endocrine system, and because of this your beta cells in the pancreas are also affected, and then you have insulin reduction or production is less, and therefore is the raised blood sugar in your bloodstream, and that is nothing but diabetes. Thank you for tuning in. Keep watching. Let's keep connecting. Namaste.